Good morning or good afternoon. In this video, we are going to cover the case creation policy and process for SupportAssist Enterprise. So first, we're going to log into our instance of SupportAssist. So there are a few requirements for SupportAssist to be able to create cases. One of these requirements is that SupportAssist must be registered. We can confirm that by looking at the About screen, and we can see that this instance has a registration ID, which confirms that it has been registered. SupportAssist must also be able to reach the SupportAssist case creation servers. That can be done by using the built-in SupportAssist Enterprise test. We can run this test and confirm that we are ready to create cases. The devices also must be enabled for monitoring. So if we click on a device, this is an iDRAC 9, we can see that monitoring is enabled and monitoring capabilities are enabled. And finally, the device must have a Pro Support or a Pro Support warranty in order for case creation policy to be enabled on a device. In SupportAssist, when it receives an alert or an SNMP trap from the device, it will process that trap against the service tag. And what it will do as part of that process is confirm that that service tag has the warranty type that needs for case creation, which would be Pro Support or Pro Support Plus. It will also check against the case creation policy on our backend servers to determine whether or not that particular alert qualifies for case creation. And if it does, and the server meets the warranty requirements, it will open a case, generate the case, and engage someone from the Dell support side to reach out to the customer and work the case. This process can be followed by looking at the application logs for SupportAssist on the SupportAssist server, which by default is located at Program Files, Dell, SupportAssist, and Logs. The application log will show us the alert coming in, and it will show us the process involved for case creation. So I have an example log here that we can look at that will show us this process. We can see that the trap and the alert came in for this particular server. The alert type was a CPU 0701, which is a CPU failure. We can see through the process that it takes this alert and processes it and looks at the policy, and it confirmed that auto case creation was enabled. It then takes this information and compares the warranty, checks the warranty against the Dell API to see what the warranty status is for this particular service tag. And on this particular service tag, we see that it is enabled for case warranty, and a case will then be created. The case gets created and engages Dell support to reach out to the customer at the primary contact in SupportAssist. In this case, this information would be me, because this is my instance of SupportAssist. This covers the basics of case creation and the case creation policy of SupportAssist for Enterprise.